Hey there, beautiful friends. Let's make English listening simple and enjoyable today.
Hi, everyone. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Welcome back to English Listen Easy.
Jack, you look happy today. What's going on?
I slept 8 hours. I did not want to get up this morning.
Wow, 8 hours. That's a big deal for you.
I know. Usually I sleep 5 hours and drink 3 coffees.
That's not healthy, Jack.
I know. But today I feel great.
Good. You have a lot of energy in your voice.
I do. So, Emma, are you ready for today's topic?
Yes. Tell the listeners what it is.
Today we talk about can, can't, and could.
Oh, I like this topic. It's about ability.
Right. We use these words to say what we can do.
Or what we can't do.
Exactly. For example, I can cook.
Can you really cook, Jack?
Yes, I can make eggs and toast.
That's not really cooking. That's breakfast.
It's still cooking. I use a pan and a plate.
Okay, I believe you.
What about you, Emma? What can you do?
I can sing. I can sing very well.
Really? Sing something right now.
No way, not on the podcast.
Come on, just one line.
Maybe another day, Jack.
Okay, fine. So, we use can for things we are able to do now.
Right, and can't is the opposite. It means we are not able to do it.
For example, I can't swim very well.
Really? You can't swim?
I can swim a little, but I can't swim fast.
I understand that. Swimming is hard.
What can't you do, Emma?
I can't drive a car.
What? You don't know how to drive?
No, I never learned. It's a little embarrassing.
That's okay. A lot of people can't drive.
My sister always says, Emma, you need to learn.
Maybe you will learn one day.
Maybe. Right now, I take the bus.
That's fine too. The bus is easy.
It is, but sometimes I wait a long time.
That's true. I don't like waiting for the bus.
My neighbor can drive, and she offers to help sometimes.
That's nice of her.
It is, but I want to learn to drive myself one day.
You can do it. It just takes practice.
I hope so. Driving looks a little scary to me.
At first, yes, but you get used to it.
So now let's talk about could.
Yes, could is different. We use could to talk about the past.
For example, when I was young, I could run very fast.
Really? You were fast?
Yes, I could run faster than my brother.
That's impressive. I could not run fast when I was a kid.
What could you do when you were young?
I could climb trees very well.
Climb trees? That's fun.
Yes, I climbed every tree in my yard.
Did you ever fall?
Yes, one time I fell and hurt my arm.
Oh no, that sounds painful.
It was, but I still loved climbing trees.
Did your parents get worried?
Yes, my mom always said, "Jack, get down from there."
That sounds like my mom too.
Moms always worry, but I never stopped climbing.
Kids never listen, right?
Never. I learned my lesson after I hurt my arm, though.
So we use could for past ability.
Right, and can for present ability.
This is a good rule for our listeners to remember.
It is. Now let me tell you a funny story.
Okay, go ahead.
Last year, I tried to fix my car.
You? fix a car?
Yes, I thought, I can do this. It's not hard.
Oh no, Jack.
I opened the car and tried to find out what was wrong.
Did you call someone?
Not at first. I tried for 2 hours.
2 hours? What happened?
In the end, I could not fix it. I called my friend Tom.
Could he fix it?
Yes, he could fix it in 10 minutes.
10 minutes? You tried for 2 hours?
I know. I felt so silly.
Did Tom laugh at you?
Yes, a lot. He still talks about it.
I bet he does.
Now I just call Tom right away. It's faster.
That's a good idea. Some things need an expert.
Exactly. I can't fix cars, and that's okay.
That's a good story. I think that's a common problem.
Yeah, sometimes we think we can do something, but we can't.
I know that feeling. It happens to me too.
What about you? Do you have a story like this?
Yes, actually. Last month, I tried to bake a cake.
Oh, tell us more.
I thought, I can bake. It's easy.
And could you bake it?
No, the cake was flat and hard.
That's so funny.
It wasn't funny then, but it's funny now.
Did you try again after that?
Yes, I tried again the next week.
And how was it?
Much better. I could bake a good cake that time.
See, you practiced and you got better.
I know that feeling too. By the way, before we continue, let's ask our listeners for a favor.
Yes, subscribe so you don't miss our next episodes. We'd love to have you back.
It really helps us make more episodes for you.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Okay, let's continue our talk about can, can't, and could.
Sure. Emma, can you tell me another example?
Yes, my son could not read when he was 4.
And now?
Now he can read very well. He reads every day.
That's great progress.
It is. He worked hard and now he can do it very well.
That's wonderful. Kids learn so fast.
They do. At first, he could not read at all. Now he reads every night.
My cooking is like that too. At first, I could only make toast.
And now you can also make eggs.
Hey, that's real progress.
I'm just joking, Jack.
I know. So, listeners, is there something you couldn't do before, but now you can?
Tell us in the comments. We want to know.
Maybe you couldn't sing, or draw, or cook.
Or maybe you couldn't fix things like Tom can.
Not like me, though.
So, to be honest, everyone learns something new over time.
True. And everyone is still learning new things.
I want to learn something new this year.
What do you want to learn?
I want to learn to paint.
That sounds nice. Can you paint now?
No, not at all, but I want to try.
I think that's a good idea.
Thank you. What do you want to learn, Jack?
I want to learn to drive better in the snow.
Oh, that's very useful.
Yes, I always feel nervous in the snow.
I understand. Snow is difficult.
Okay, so let's do a light recap for our listeners.
Sure, we use can for something we can do now.
We use can't for something we can't do now.
And we use could for something we could do in the past.
Also, could not means we were not able to do something before.
Right. Simple but very useful.
So basically, today you learned 3 small but powerful words. Now let's give you a quick tip.
Okay, go ahead, Jack.
When you practice English, say sentences about yourself.
Like I can and I can't?
Yes, say them out loud every day.
That's a great tip. It helps you remember the grammar.
It does. I still do this, and it helps me a lot.
Great tip, Jack. Simple and easy to use.
Thanks. Now let's talk about our word of the episode.
Yes, Jack, I have a word for today.
Tell me.
I want to paint well. That's going to be my new skill.
Wait, what does the word skill mean exactly?
A skill is something you can do well after you practice.
Oh, like riding a bike.
Yes, at first you can't ride a bike well. Then with practice, it becomes a skill.
I understand now. So a skill takes time to build.
Exactly. Everyone listening has a skill already, even if they don't think about it.
That's true. Maybe your skill is cooking, or singing, or even speaking English.
Yes, English is a skill too, and you're building it right now.
That's a great way to think about it.
Now you know the word skill. Try to use it in your daily life.
You can say, cooking is my favorite skill.
Write a sentence like that in the comments.
This will help you remember the word better. Try writing something like, my skill is drawing, or I want a new skill.
Great examples, Jack. By the way, do you remember our last word, excited?
Yes, I was excited about today's episode.
Me too. I'm always excited to talk with you, Jack.
That's sweet. I hope our listeners felt excited too.
I think they did. Learning can be exciting when it's fun.
Very true. Okay, let's finish for today.
If this episode helped you, please like it, share it, and subscribe.
We make new episodes all the time, so stay close.
Please leave a comment and tell us about something you can do well.
We really want to know.
Thank you for listening, everyone.
Bye for now, listeners. See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Take care.